Hi, welcome to our lesson 3, page 4. Now today what we're going to be doing is learning bullet points. Bullet points are very, very important. It's extremely important that you have a good understanding about this because our bullet point is what we use in making menus, and every web page has a menu, so it's really important. Okay, so let's start talking about bullet points. We've got a number of new tags, and here is a tag which is ordered list. It's OL, which stands for ordered list, and an ordered list is going to have a bullet points which is going to like 1, 2, 3, and 4, etc., like numerically incremented. We also have UL, which stands for unordered list, and that will be just your dot points. Whether it's ordered list or unordered list, all the lists are going to have LIs, which are list items. And so how it works is we have the ordered list tag to open it, we have an ordered list tag to close it, and we will have our items inside it, which is the opening item, closing the item, the next closing, and so forth. Same deal with the unordered list. I could have written this vertically. I've done exactly the same thing. I've just put it all in one line. It's the HTML browser has no care whether it's listed easily to read or whether it's one great big line. It does the same. It's just harder to read. That's all. Okay. Well, let's go and experiment. I have already created a file which I hope that you will write from new, as practice is good. And all I've done, just to save time on this video, I've just created the HTML, close HTML, the header, close header, body, and close body, and I've written my hello world in there. Well, let's put a list in. So again, actually what I should do is just let's open this up in the browser and have a look at what that looks like. It's not going to be very exciting, it's just hello world. That's fine. Let's make the browser on one side, minimize my Windows Explorer so I can see both at the same time. Make that a little bit smaller. There we go. So let's put in our list. First one is going to be an ordered list. Straight over, before I do anything else, I close it so I don't forget, and then I'll indent it a little bit to make it easier to read. LI is the opening of the list item, and then I will just call that is item 1. Close the list item, and then we'll do the same. List item 2, and close that item, and let's save that and see what it looks like. And refresh that page, and as you can see, we have our nice numerical lists. Okay, let's put an unordered list and let's have a look what that looks like. As you can see, it's very easy. Make this a bit different for the first thing. Close it, and we'll have another list item. This is going to be the second thing, and close it. And then, bad habit, what did I forget to do? I should have done this before I did these ones. Always try and get in the habit when you do your opening tag, immediately go and write in the closing one, then fill it out. You'll have less mistakes if you can get into that habit. Right, so let's save that, and and refresh it. And here we go. There's the two differences between the ordered list, which is got a nice numerics, and the unordered list, which is the bullet points. Okay, if we go back to the activity, and basically if you write what we've just done here, and if you could include 3 lines of each, possibly experiment, try putting a picture in one. Let's see if you can do that. Possibly have one list being bold and the other lists being not bold. If you really wanted to be extending your capabilities, you might even want to put a style in here like we did in the previous lesson, and start using the styling to give these some different colored backgrounds or all this type of thing. Just experiment, have fun, and zip it up, submit it. That's all you need to do for this activity.